A college student needs 11 classes that are worth a total of 40 credits in order to complete her degree. The college offers both 4-credit classes and 3-credit classes. Which system of equations can be used to determine f, the number of 4-credit classes the student can take to complete her degree, and h, the number of 3-credit classes? Okay, when you see the phrase system of equations, you already know you're dealing with at least 2 equations, okay? So basically what we're looking for are the 2 equations that match up with this student situation. Alright, the student needs 11 classes total. Now in a system of equations type problem, you're usually going to have 2 totals, okay? So there's 2 totals here. There's a total of classes and there's a total of credits. These are both totals. And the totals are going to be over here, they're going to be what your equation's equal to. So we have one equation equal to 11 and we have one equation equal to 40. And as you see, all of our choices have that. We have a 40, 11, 11 and 40, and so on. All of them have one equal to 11 and one equal to 40. So far, all the equations are matching up with what we are coming up with. Okay, let's dive in a little more. In order to complete her degree, so the college offers both 4-credit classes and 3-credit classes. So there's this type of class, and when you read later, the letter F stands for the number of 4-credit classes. So this is F. And the letter H stands for the 3-credit classes. So there's my H. Alright, so you have like a certain amount of 4-credit classes plus a certain amount of 3-credit classes, and you're going to get 2 different totals here. If I take a certain amount of 4 credits plus a certain amount of 3 credits, I'm going to have a total of 11 classes. So that's just going to be my 4-credit classes, however many I take, plus my 3-credit classes, gives me 11. Let's say I took, I don't know, 9 4-credit classes, that would be here, and then 2 3-credit classes, that give me a total of 11 classes. Alright, now how do we get the total of credits though? That's where we apply the value of the 4-credit classes. How many credits are in each 4-credit class? 4. So this is 4 times the number of those classes I took, because every one of those classes has 4 credits to it. So that's going to be 4 times F. And then my 3-credit classes has a value of 3 attached to it. So the 4 times the number of 4-credit classes plus the 3 times the number of 3-credit classes is going to give me the value, the total credits of 40. So these are the 2 equations I'm looking for. Here I have 4 plus H is 40, and here's the other way you want to look at it. This is type of class plus another type of class gives me the total number of classes. And this one is number of credits in my 4-hour classes. And this is the number of credits in my 3-hour classes. And this gives me a total number of credits. So when you really build your equations, you have all the same stuff. Classes plus classes equals classes. And credit total plus another credit total gives you an ultimate credit total. Okay, if you look over here, they have it switched. They have class plus class equals credits. And they have the other one switched. This one they have class plus class is 11. And the 4H plus the 3F is 40. Now what's wrong with that? They have the letters switched, which is why I really stress and encourage you guys to label everything in your problem. It said explicitly here that F is the 4 credit classes. they have H as the 4 credit classes, so that's switched. Okay, here they have the F plus H equals 40 again. That's a class plus class equals credits. That doesn't work. So the only hope we have is J. The 4 credit classes and the 3 is equal to 11 total classes, and then 4 times F plus 3 times H equals my 40. Now I want to point out, these answer choices are specifically here to mess with you. Notice I didn't even look at my answer choices first. I built the equation myself based on what the problem says. And I made sure that made sense by putting my labels above everything and double checking. Finally, I would, at the end, check my answer choices and compare it to what I got. And that's really the best approach to make sure you don't get confused and tricked by some of their answer choices.